Footage from the Ukrainian battlefield shows a US-made MaxxPro armored vehicle withstanding a series of direct Russian blasts. Despite enduring at least 3 powerful explosions, the MaxxPro is seen successfully navigating a dirt track. The incident occurred in the Chasiv Yar area of Ukraine's Donetsk Oblast, where fighting between Russia and Ukraine has been intense in recent months. The MaxxPro, designed by Navistar Defense and the Israeli company Plasan Sasa, is part of the U.S. military's mine-resistant ambush-protected MRAP program. Nir Khan, former design director for Plasan, wrote on his X account, "I'm very proud of my involvement in the design of the Navistar MaxxPro. It saved thousands of lives, now in Ukraine too." With its V-shaped hull designed to deflect blasts away from the crew, the MaxxPro is built to withstand ballistic arms fire, mine blasts, IEDs, and other emerging threats. The vehicle has a seating capacity for 12 personnel and features a single turret housing a 7.62 or 12.7 millimeter machine gun, with space for 1 gunner, according to Navistar. Last year, the U.S. announced it would send 200 vehicles to Ukraine as part of a military aid package. These vehicles have since proven crucial to Ukraine's war effort. On August 5, 2024, MaxxPro armored vehicles successfully evacuated Ukrainian troops under intense artillery fire in the Pokrovsky sector. Released video footage shows 2 MaxxPro MRAP vehicles speeding along a dirt road adjacent to Ukrainian positions. Under heavy artillery shelling, the vehicles reached the troops and extracted them amidst ongoing explosions. All the defenders, who had held their positions as long as possible in a tactical semi-encirclement, were successfully evacuated alive. The International MaxxPro, manufactured by Navistar Defense, is one of the most widely used Western MRAP vehicles in Ukraine's defense forces. Ukrainian military personnel have praised the vehicle for its survivability and mobility. The MaxxPros are like a red rag to the Russians. They target it with everything they have, Stepan, a Ukrainian fighter, told The Times, but they are almost indestructible.